Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am doing a wig install on my girl Kedra, and we testing out my new hairline that I'm coming out with, y'all. This was a HD lace 30-inch wig. It was 180% density, and it's a full 13 by 4 frontal wig. Mind y'all, all I did was bleach it. I barely plucked this wig, but anyway. When I test out my vendors, I test them out. Like, I literally have some of my clients wear the wig. It's like, well, I'm going to say friends because I know they're going to be honest with me. Clients is going to tell me what I want to hear because they know that's just how they is. But we got to take it through the mud. We got to see how the lace is, see how, if it's thin, you know how long it lasts. If y'all want a detailed video about how to find the perfect vendor, let me know, and I will give y'all all the tea down below. But yeah, I want y'all to tell me what y'all think about this. So first things first, we gotta go in with the braids. But of course, she already had braids. She got into a car accident recently. It was like before my accident. So I've been letting her slide with wearing these little old braids or whatever. But I just told her about herself. So after you do that, you need to get the ball cap on. After you get the ball cap on, you need to pull it back and cut it. Cut it off, but make sure y'all leave some room in front of their hairline. The ball cap is supposed to be in front of their hairline because the wig is supposed to be glued down in front of their hairline. Literally, all my clients got edges because I glue everything in front of their hairline. Nothing is directly on their hairline, you guys. Y'all need to learn this because I be seeing people pull out their edges when they pull out their wig, and that should not happen. So you see that wig already looks blended as soon as you put it down. But I always tell everybody, again, it's optional. Cut off the ear tabs before y'all glue it down. The reason why is because if you glue it down first and got to go back through and cut the ear tabs, sometimes you have to lift the wig up. You don't want to keep lifting the wig up and down after you don't already glued it down because it's going to make the glue turn white looking. And like, it's harder to blend that than it is, just doing it the right way for the first time. But I usually do it and I kind of map out their hairline while I'm doing it. Like, while I cutting it off and while I got the wig position, I kind of look at their hairline to see where I need to lay my glue at, because you don't want the glue in front of the lace. You'd rather be behind it than in front of it. But you can always go through and mark it with like an eyeliner marker or whatever you want to do. So now I'm just applying lace tape, and I only applied 3 layers of glue during this install. And y'all give me some good glue recommendations so I can go try some, because I love the glue that I've been using, but I done got a few bad bottles. I hate super thick glue. I like my glue to be thinner, like kind of a runny consistency, so it dries quicker. And I had like 3 bottles of it that was super thick. But anyway, all you need to do is cut off your lace. Y'all see, I cut it off and it looks like skin. Literally. Like that, look. This is what I was talking about. I'm just going through and putting glue back under the pieces that weren't glued down all the way. But you can cut it off with a razor or with scissors. Even if you're cutting it off with a razor, you still need to go in a zigzag motion, you guys. I still see people going through with a straight line. The whole point of the razor is to go through it with a zigzag motion. And again, you can do that with scissors or a razor. So again, this part is optional, but this is the way I do it. So everybody who knows me know I hate seeing people under the dryer. So what I do is I go through, I part out wherever their part is going to be, and I pull out their baby hairs. The reason I pull out baby hairs first is so they can lay in the direction I need them to lay in. Then while the elastic band is sitting and the lace is melting, I go through, hot comb everything and style it exactly how I need it to go. To me, it's less time, because you don't got to sit on the dryer. And then I personally hate sitting under the dryer, so I don't be caring to sit my clients up under there. Y'all, and please don't mind Keisha face. She talk with her eyes, y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all this not because we talk about some crazy stuff. So I don't want y'all to think nothing crazy. It's just, y'all, we be having some good behind conversations.
everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, baby, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do what you do. That's why I don't mind spending my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give.
So right here, I just went off camera and kind of curled it, and I always pin curl the front just so it's out the way while I'm swooping my baby hair and, like, you know, doing anything with the extra with the lace.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, baby.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment down below if you guys want more videos like this or that vendor video. And I will happily do it for you guys. And don't forget to follow my Instagram at Hair by Tootie and my TikTok at Hair by Tootie.
I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else